So day 3 and we're a bit more chilled out this morning. We're all sitting and having breakfast. The kids have got their advent calendars because it's the 1st of December. Yeah, slow morning today because we've got no welder. We're not in a rush today. We've got no reason to hurry like we have the other mornings. So we're just gonna take it nice and easy, go to the block and do some work a bit later on. But yeah, once we get to just sit, chill, enjoy breakfast. Oh, another one's up. Morning, Lexi. Don't choke. Hello. Hi. Did you wake up? Let me see your cute little face. Yay. Did you have a good sleep? Can I have your dummy, please? No? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. I'm going back to sleep, buddy. Put your dummy in. Oh, darling girl.
That's what you got to do when you got no water on the block, eh?
Yeah. I'm going to fill these up with water and take them to the block so that we have something so that when we need to wash ourselves or wash paintbrushes or whatever. So
I don't even get much out of them, eh?
It takes quite a while to fill up, but yeah, it doesn't look like there's a lot in it. I've already got one done to put it in the box, ready for transport. I'm worried they might burst on transport. But we'll see how it goes.
Someone hasn't done the dishes.
Someone made lunch.
Do the dishes too, will ya? Actually, these kids that are playing should be doing the dishes. Yeah, I'm watching you. Hello, cutie pie. You want to touch the camera? No way! No way! Your fingerprints all over it. Yeah, there's no way that's anywhere near 10 litres.
I don't know, it's going to be pretty heavy for you to carry. Right ahead. Don't let the box fall apart.
Because you said it.
I manifested that, did I?
Yes, you did.
Let me open the door for you.
Thank you. And we're here to take footage, so if you guys don't want to do it, you may as well go home.
Time to go home, Daisy.
Hey, we've got to get around the other side of the car.
Take the handbrake off, maybe?
Yeah. My God, is the aircon working or what?
So this big muscly guy just pulled us over on the side of the road, reckons he's the coconut man and he's going to climb a tree for us and get some coconut. I gotta see this. My husband can't even climb a shipping container.
Dad?
Look at the view here where the coconut man climbs the trees. It's awesome.
Coconut tree, wonderful tree, gift from the Lord for you and for me. Now that story has been told from long ago. The lesson of the coconut tree, wonderful tree, gift from the Lord for you and for me. Now that story has been told from long ago. Lesson of the coconut tree. Lesson of the coconut tree.
kidding me? This guy is muscly. He can sing. He can climb a tree. Ah, you're making me look bad, bro.
Now, because we don't want the structural integrity of the container to be compromised, we don't want to cut in any more windows or doors until we have this one welded in. So we're just going to get all the awnings and doors out of the way so we can do more work inside the container with the flooring. We're just trying to empty out the container. We've got to seal the floors. When they ship the containers, they put a whole lot of pesticides and stuff in it. So if you come over here, you can see where all the bugs actually have died. So you've got bugs there running around, but here they all actually die. So we've got to sweep it all out and then coat the floors with some polyurethane. I think you don't actually have to use polyurethane. You can use just PVA glue.
Just seal it to stop all the fumes and that coming out so you can live in here, otherwise it all builds up.
Forever breathing it in. So we just got to empty all this stuff out. So Zach's just taking apart the crate and moving that.
We're not too fussed about what we seal the floor with. Some containers have really nice floors. This one for some reason has a big metal strip in it. So we can't leave this as a flooring. Otherwise you would just seal it with a nice sealer and just leave it at that.
It is weird. What is it, like a skate patch?
I don't know, maybe they put heavy stuff here, I don't know. But some containers have it, some containers don't. So, oh well. We're just going to seal it with the cheap sealer. Then next time we come, maybe we'll put some nice flooring down. Vinyl flooring or something.
Here, that's just making a clearing. Because eventually we're going to put a deck here. So, Lexi's just getting rid of all of the grass and sticks and mess. And then we'll be able to somehow make it a bit flatter. So is it only going to be a half deck, or why have we got the stick there? That's the marking of the deck.
That's how far it's going out. She needs to dig out, clear out to those sticks there.
But what I'm getting at is over here, is it not going the full length of the container?
It is. Sometimes if you give people too much to do, they get overwhelmed.
Can't wait to get this window welded in.
Oh, no one's gotten back to us yet. No welders. We've asked the neighbour, asked the electrician.
So, that's fun. So yeah, the electrician's trying to find us someone. I think he'll probably be most successful, otherwise we're just going to have to look around in town for businesses that do it rather than just someone. You know, there would be so many businesses that would have to do welding, so hopefully. What are you doing?
I'm hammering.
Oh God. Alright, what are you hammering? Oh, lordy.
I do not know where I'm going.
Maybe crouch down closer to it.
Or hit it on a diagonal.
Okay, try not hitting that one that's bent already. Hit the other ones.
My dad said he wanted them flat.
They got to be flat so no one gets hurt.
Oh, okay. I thought you were hammering.
No, we're too far from a hospital. They got to make it safe.
Yeah, but I thought you were hammering them out. Alright, there's Dad with the water bottles. Yeah,
because look, if someone steps on that, we're so far from hospital, it's not funny.
You have to put the lid on as well. Look, this lid.
Yeah, put that one on. I don't want that stuff in my eyes, mate. So this is the roof of the container. We got to seal it with the bitumen paint, 'cause if we don't get around to the roof, we'll get some rust and leaking problems, as you can see with all the leaves and that. Got vines growing all over the place. So we'll sweep this off. Give us that broom, Lex. Thank you. We'll sweep this off and seal it. If we don't get around to doing the roof, it doesn't matter. It's going to be sealed till we get back. Could be 5, 10 years, who knows? It could be next year. He's finally doing some work. Woohoo! Alright, Lex, I might get you to paint it. Come up the end here. You leave your broom there. Yeah. Look how bad that is. It's only after 3 years, you know? Right, you gotta start from the end. There you go. Woo! Open her up, just do up to this beam here so that we can weld some stuff on, and to the edge of the ribs here, because we need to weld some brackets on there too. Once they've welded the brackets, we'll just go over it again.
Yep. Oh, whoa, it stinks.
It's expensive too here, so don't waste it. But also do a good job.
It's like liquid licorice. Need a drink?
Huh?
Need a drink?
I do need a drink. Are you coming up?
Gross up here.
Alright.
Oh, it flexes a bit.
It does.
That's what I
Yeah.
was saying.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You sure you don't want my help?
I'm fine.
Oh, we'll see how all this gym works out.
Oh, Jesus, Lisa.
Look.
Oh, yeah, I can see that.
And then, like, what do you, if you wait another 3 years, you know, then what happens?
Well, yeah, we'll have big holes in our roof.
I know, it probably looks worse than what it is, but the amount of time and money we're spending on it,
Yeah.
you know, you don't want to risk it anyway.
Well, that's what I was expecting. I was expecting that all over the place. So it's not as bad as what I was thinking, but it definitely is not good. Alright.
You guys alright over there? What do you mean no?
Got it.
Oh.
I bet you're watching the phone, aren't you? You're watching Wiggles or something. Alright.
Literally like oh.
Alright, well, these guys are doing next to nothing, so I'm going to go down and dig.
Okay, so I'm up here supervising Mum while Dad does my job because he reckons it's never gonna get done. He's down there and Mum's over there.
This how it's done, Lex.
Yep. Well, you make it look a lot easier than it is.
I don't think you tried hard enough.
There's a lot of roots and I'm not that strong.
I'm not strong either.
Yes, you are. You're like 6 times my age and 13
6
times.
times your age.
Oops.
Alright, so we've just come back to the block. I took the kids home. Daisy needed a sleep. I've been gone for about 2 hours. So Zach's managed to clear a heck of a lot of sand here. So he's just been digging it up and putting it in the barrow and then bringing it over here. So we're creating some sort of ramp up to the container. It's quite a bit there actually because there was a massive hole here. So this is about what, bloody, probably about a good 2 cubic metres, which is 2 tonne of sand he's moved there. So, pretty impressed with that. Feeling a bit hot and sweaty, babe? Makes it a lot easier so it's not a big drop off getting into and out of the container for now.
Oh no, I'm putting the sand there on purpose to make it safe for the kids. If the kids weren't here, I wouldn't do that.
Yeah.
It's just so dangerous when the kids want to play and then they, you know, you got a 1 metre drop off and sharp rocks and trees and all that. That's why I'm dumping it there. Once the doors are cut in, we'll probably put it somewhere else.
You're done good, bub. Okay, so, Bonnie, tell us what we're doing.
So we're going outside to see the supply.
Alright, Dad, first.
This is my surprise. What for? What did I do? Why did I get a surprise?
Because he's a good person on the block. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
I did it already.
Oh my gosh, it's like a restaurant.
It is! Read the label. It's the family diner! It's the family diner!
The family diner, I see it.
I want to see that gecko again. And then...
Oh, even Daisy's got a seat.
I tried to match everything up, but I couldn't. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.